What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you for clicking on this new video. And my last video is not doing too shabby, so I appreciate everybody who clicked on that and checked it out. Every little view, every little subscribe helps, and I appreciate it a lot. But today we're out at David's house and we're doing a little riding. And as you can tell, I'm a little cold today. It's been a few days since I uploaded, and it was like 82 in that video, I think. And now it's in the low 50s, might even be like 40 some degrees outside today. But got a flannel on, a hoodie under this, and it's pretty dang cold outside today. So yeah, like I said, we're out here riding. David had to go run some errands, so I'm just waiting on him to get back. But I've been putting some laps down while he's been gone, and track's pretty good today. And as far as like this video is gonna go, it's probably just gonna be kind of a vlog kind of video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So thank you again for tuning into this one. I hope it's enjoyable for y'all, and yeah, get some clips rolling once he shows back up here. And oh my goodness. What happened?
I don't know, dude. Just sitting here. And, oh. Huh?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, just sitting here. Tire just goes flat. Started the thing to start sissing. And bada bing. There she went. I'm done. I'm set. Any 2012 KX 450.
Man.
Mint condition. You gotta buy a back tube, you can buy it. What do you want? Give me offers in the comments.
Your chain is so loose, dude. Tighten it up.
Valve stems are tight.
No, it's not. Go ahead, grab it.
What?
Grab the chain. It's not tight.
When you land off jumps, I don't want it snapping.
Yeah, you do. Right? Yes.
You're done, dude. You're done to the house.
Can't start it. It's broke.
Yeah.
Well, looks like that's going to be the end of the riding today. Didn't get very much. This dude's tube just decided to pop it while we were just sitting BS, and right there, yeah, I guess he ran out of gas too, so that's kind of crappy. Go down and see what he's doing. Should have bought a Honda, dude.
Good job.
Oh yeah.
It's not like don't stall every 3 seconds.
Yeah, dude. Clutch issue. Loose chain, pop tire. Oh yeah. That's nice.
It's a valve stem. They should make metal like valve stem parts that connect to your tube, or something different. Nice, dude.
Tighten it, dude. Break it, dude.
Nice, dude. Anybody want to donate tubes?
Sponsor the video.
120, 80, 19. 80 by 121. Send them all. Bunch.
Sponsor us.
Come on.
Please.
Some tubes. I need a
We need a bunch.
Oh yeah, she's done, dude.
I'll tell you why it didn't happen, buddy. I'll tell you exactly why. Ain't a Honda. It ain't red.
Sizzling. If I tighten it up more, dude, maybe it'll.
It ain't red, that's why.
Brand new. Brand new.
What?
Oh. Graphics. Brand new graphics stuff. Look.
What do we got on this thing, dude?
Split design, Kawasaki, Fox, Twin Air, Renthal, MPR, 100% GoPro, Dirt Bike Kids.
Wow.
Twitch.
Nice. What's the number?
Slay.
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 Nah, dude, I'm not running.
Oh my, I'm done, dude. Get your truck, pull me up.
Typical Cowie. Tell you why, dude, it ain't red. Ain't red whatsoever.
Alright, yeah, dude. Got my bike.
Yeah, look at that steed. See that one by the tree, buddy? Look to the right there. Good.
Right, dude.
This dude just freaking formed into formal dressing clothes. Matter of seconds somehow, you wizard. My God. Yeah, push it. Push it. Clickbait, dude. Kid pushes bike in the shed. Alright guys. So my boy here, we're about to hang a TV up on the wall. Got this contraption. So we're gonna eyeball it, because what's a level? We don't need one. Your eyeballs are a level, so
Yeah, right.
yeah. We're gonna hang her up. Oh, dude, which way to go? Alright, got it all hung up. That's nice. Wow. Nice. Alright guys, this is gonna do it for this video. Make sure you check out David at, what's your name?
David McweeVlogs, hit me up, videos all the time, sometime.
Yeah, mostly all the time. Thanks for clicking into this one though, we appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know about some feedback, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.